In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide whole numbers using the standard algorithm with remainders. In this example, we're dividing 4,955 by 8. Remember to use the steps for division: divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. First, look at the greatest place value in the dividend, which is the 4 in the thousands place, and we're going to divide it by the divisor, which is 8. 4 cannot divide by 8, so we're going to combine the 4 in the thousands place with the 9 in the hundreds place, and we're going to look at them as 49 hundreds. 49 hundreds can be divided by 8, and we can do this 6 times. The 6 will go into the hundreds place in the quotient. Next, multiply the 6 hundreds by the divisor to get 48, and put it under 49 in the dividend. Next, subtract 49 minus 48, which equals 1. Compare the answer to the subtraction problem with the divisor. You want the answer to be less than the divisor. 1 is less than 8, so you divided the last step enough times. Now bring down the next digit in the dividend and start the division steps again. After bringing down the 5, we now have 15 tens to divide by 8. 15 can divide by 8 one time, so we're going to put a 1 in the tens place in the quotient area. Now multiply that 1 by the 8 in the divisor to get 8 and put that underneath the 15. Now subtract 15 minus 8, which equals 7. Take that answer and compare it to the divisor. It should be less than the divisor, and 7 is less than 8. So next we'll bring down the next digit in the dividend. After bringing down the 5 from the ones place, we now have 75 to divide by 8. 75 can divide by 8 9 times, so we'll put the 9 in the ones place of the quotient area. Now multiply the 9 ones by 8 to get 72 and put it under the 75. Now subtract 75 minus 72, which equals 3. Compare that answer to the divisor. It should be less, and 3 is less than 8. There are no more digits to bring down, so we have nothing left to divide. The 3 from the previous step is left over. 3 cannot be divided into any groups of 8, so 3 is a remainder. You can write the remainder next to the quotient by putting an R with the remainder number. So the answer is 619 remainder 3.